I'm Jared Dienda, and we're talking customization, specifically performance, horsepower, and torque. That's what everybody wants, and Harley-Davidson Parts and Accessories has got you covered via Screamin' Eagle. Screamin' Eagle is Harley-Davidson's official performance line. I'm going to walk you through the 4 stages. First, stage 1. This is the foundation, right? If you're going to modify your bike, you need to increase that airflow, intake, and exhaust. Stage 2, step inside the V-twin, a performance cam. Stage 3, you introduce bigger cylinders, bigger pistons. You're moving more air through that iconic engine. Then stage 4, that's stage 1 through 3, plus performance heads and a larger throttle body. Now, when you make any of these modifications, you're going to be utilizing the Screamin' Eagle Pro Street Tuner. This works with the ECM, basically the brain of your bike, to make sure you optimize your performance. Both these bikes right here are outfitted with stage 4 kits, like on this Electra Glide Standard, has that Ventilator Extreme intake, and over here the Iron 1200 says it's definitely modified. It's got the heavy breather intake. Now, the exhausts are both Street Cannon in flat black, but there's many different options as far as finish. No matter which V-twin you ride, and you kick things off with stage 1 intake and exhaust, or you take it all the way to stage 4, your expert at your local Harley-Davidson dealer will get you set up. The option is yours.